Okay, now umbuzo based on ishandisi efanayo, which means nawe la manje lethe ngisho press pause kwi-video uyifundele wena statement uyiphendulele wena, and then mase press play ubone ukuthi iphendule ngendlela efanele yini. Okay, so umbuzo la uthi a pulse covers a distance of 5 meters. Usuyazi uyakugiven angithi given okunikiwe number 1 i-distance onikiwe you 5 meters. Okay, fine. In 15 seconds. So number 2 lo T is 15 seconds. Calculate the speed of the pulse, which means la bafunani uV. Yabo, it is the same njengale kade kwenzileyo. So now uzokwazi ukuzenzela. First of all, you write the formula, you check ama-units, ama-factors onikezwe wona ukuthi ngempela are in their correct units yini, which means i-distance ingama-meter yini, isikhathi singama-seconds yini, because uma kungekho njalo kuzomele uconvert. Njengoba ngikutshengisile ukuthi kuconvertwa kanjani. So uma sibheka la i-distance basinikeza as 5 meter, which means i-right. Isikhathi basinikeza as 15 seconds naso, which means i-right. So uyobhala iformula yakho, V is equals to D all over T. Yabo? UV is your pulse speed. UD, it is the distance traveled by the pulse. UT, it is the time it took for the pulse to travel a distance of UD. Alright. So, as kind of learning, V is equals UD wethu is 5 meters. UT wethu is 15 seconds. So UV wethu uzobobanike. This is where uthatha ini calculator yakho. So u5 omunye angakwazi ukubala because u5 over 15 ulingana no1 all over 3 because u5 ungena kanye ku5 angene kabani ka3 ku15. Yabo? Bani meters per second. But ke asi expressed as ama fractions, which means uzobo 0.33 meters per second, which is our final answer with 3 marks. Which means wena nje embuzweni okanje ofuna i-pulse speed kulula kakhulu, check if unikeziwe yini i-distance yakho, check ukuthi unikeziwe yini isikhathi sakho, and then kulama units onikezwe wona you check ukuthi akwi-units efanele yini. Uyazi wena ukuthi ama-meter akwi-distance, ama-seconds akwisikhathi, ama-hour nama-days nama-weeks asebenzi ngawo. Uma uyinkezwe wona uzomele uconvert qala uzofinyelele kwama-seconds, okuyima uzokwazi ukuyisebenzisa le equation. In other words, kungenzeka ukuyisebenzisa i-equation in kilometers and ne-hour, mhlawumbe kuthiwa kilometers per hour, but usually i-correct unit yawo ile meters per second, unless bakutshela bona ukuthi you can use amanye ama-units. Ungasho ukuthi meter per hour, meter per minute kukwena, but i-units correct meter per second. Angisho ukuthi lamanye are wrong, but iyona le esetshenziswayo, unless i-statement isiyakutshela ukuthi asiyidingi i-answer kanje, iyohlezi ime kanje eyabo. Mhlabe ekutshela ukuthi express i-answer yakho mhlambe in centimeters per hour, i-express in centimeters per hour. Yabo, ama-conversions kuphela i-answer usunayo. Asibone umbuzo uthe ukuhluka ke nalo webhayi abasasibuzi ke manje i-pulse speed, which means i-formula is not exactly as this. Ila usebenzisa khona ya triangle kade ngikudwebele yona, so uzoyikhipha manje phambi kwakho uyidwebe ubhale lawa ama-equation lawa usebenzisa yona, and then i-statement esosibhala isona sokutshela ukuthi yona yiphi i-equation esizoyisebenzisa. Sambe soyibheka.